Podscribe is a website that allows you to get the transcripts of a podcast and then represent, or as I like to say, represent them in multiple different ways. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and we've been presented with a demo podcast. I think this was an actual podcast by A16Z called A True Second Brain. As you can see, we can scrub through and listen to the actual podcast here. We can also look at summaries and transcripts. So we've got the introduction here. We've got some quick takeaways about what this podcast is about. And yeah, we've also got deep dives, and this is segmented each part of the podcast very nicely, I have to say. So AI enhancing creativity, you can listen to just that specific section if you wanted by clicking the play button here. Personalized content creation, unlocking ideas with AI. So this is a great way to essentially like hone in on a podcast and look for the most specific aspects that you may need. You can also look at the entire transcript. You can also look at a mind map that's been generated from it and download this as well by clicking this button over here. I think this is a very cool feature, I'll be honest. And yeah, this makes a whole lot of sense. I personally like to consume information in the form of mind maps. So yeah, this is really cool to have, and also notes as well, which you can create for yourself personally. So if we click on here and click on this create tab, we can see I've got 25 credits. What I can do is I can repurpose this podcast essentially, so I can have a custom prompt if I want to, or I can look at one of the sort of recipes that are already tailored here, which include writing email teasers, extracting key quotes, suggesting alternative titles. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. Drafts of 5 engaging posts suitable for Facebook and LinkedIn based on this episode's content, and that's going to take up 1 credit, and it's going to generate what they call here on Podscribe a recipe, which is quite interesting. So we've got the first post, which is there, which is quite nice. So I think once you essentially do your podcast, if you want to start promoting it, this is a great way to do so. So now I've got copy and drafts of posts that I can put on Facebook or LinkedIn regarding this. So yeah, definitely check this out. I think this is a valuable tool, and yeah, let me know how you get on. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.